You asked, how to divide 4372 by 3 using the long division method. 4 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Bring down 3, making 13. 13 divided by 3 equals 4. 4 times 3 equals 12. 13 minus 12 equals 1. Bring down 7, making 17. 17 divided by 3 equals 5. 5 times 3 equals 15. 17 minus 15 equals 2. Bring down 2, making 22. 22 divided by 3 equals 7. 7 times 3 equals 21. 22 minus 21 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 1457 remainder 1.